Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a closer look at the Chevrolet Bel Air Pickup for 2025 is a perfect blend of nostalgia and modern innovation. It takes the iconic design of the classic Bel Air and reimagines it as a stylish, functional pickup truck. The first thing you'll notice is the stunning exterior. Its retro-inspired chrome grille, sleek body lines, and two-tone paint options pay homage to the 1950s Bel Air, while incorporating contemporary design elements like LED headlights and aerodynamic features. Moving to the interior, it's all about comfort and technology. The cabin combines vintage-inspired styling with cutting-edge amenities. Plush leather seats, chrome accents, and a dashboard that nods to the original Bel Air create a luxurious feel. Meanwhile, the infotainment system is fully modern, featuring a large touchscreen, wireless smartphone integration, and advanced connectivity options. There's even a customizable digital instrument cluster that mimics classic analog dials. Under the hood, the Bel Air Pickup is equipped with a powerful yet efficient engine. Buyers can choose between a turbocharged 4-cylinder and a V8, both paired with a smooth-shifting automatic transmission. For those looking for a greener option, there's even a hybrid powertrain available. The ride is smooth thanks to an adaptive suspension system, and the truck has impressive towing and payload capabilities, making it practical as well as stylish. Now, on the road, the Bel Air Pickup handles exceptionally well. The advanced safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera, give drivers confidence in any situation. Off the road, its rugged capabilities and optional all-wheel drive make it ready for adventure. Chevrolet has truly outdone itself by bringing the spirit of the Bel Air into the modern era. Whether you're drawn to its retro looks, luxurious interior, or impressive performance, the 2025 Chevrolet Bel Air Pickup is sure to turn heads and deliver an unforgettable driving experience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews on the latest cars.